Hello everyone. In this video, we are discuss about how to comment the code in C programming language. So let's start the video. There are two types of comment in C programming language: single line comment and multi-line comment. So we are discuss about both in this video. So let's start the video. So firstly, I'm opening VS Code here. So you can saw this is our last code. In last video, we are discuss about how to print any statement and how to take new line. This backslash n is used to take new line, and in this video we are discuss about how to comment any code. So we want to comment this code, we can use double forward slash. So this code is comment, and when you run the code, this line is not executed by the compiler, so only this line is printed. This is single line comment. In this line you can write anything. This is not executed by the compiler. This comment is used to explain the code. Suppose we have to tell this is a header file, this is a header file, and we have to use multi-line comment. Then we can use forward slash and this symbol. This is multi-line comment. In this between you can write anything. This become comment. Suppose I am copy this, I paste this here, I write anything here, this is become comment. This is multi-line comment. This is single line comment, and this is multi-line comment. And you want to close this by shortcut this panel, control B. Control B is used to close and open this panel. So thanks for watching video. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.